Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to solve this challenging integral. Alright, so we need to take the antiderivative of sine of 3s altogether raised to the 7 over 5th root of cosine to the 4 of 3s. Alright, so we need to convert this one to rational exponent first, right? So I just rewrite the top, it's going to be sine of 3s altogether to the 7 over this guy turns out to be cosine of 3s altogether raised to the 4 over 5, right? ds. Now I'm going to bring this one to the top, so it turns out to be cosine of 3s altogether raised to the negative 4 over 5, right? Times, now sine of 3s to the 7, I can rewrite this one as sine of 3s to the 6 times sine of 3s ds, right? Now, sine of 3s to the 6, I can expand this one using the formula sine square of 3s plus cosine square of 3s equals 1, right? So this guy turns out to be the integral of cosine of 3s to the negative 4/5 times 1 minus cosine square of 3s altogether raised to the power of 3, right? Because this one right here, I can rewrite this one as sine of 3s square altogether raised to the power of 3, right? So I can apply this formula right here, right? Now, I have another formula, a minus b altogether cube. It's going to be a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cubed, right? So I will write this one sine of 3s ds, right? So I just expand this one, it's going to be cosine of 3s altogether raised to the 4/5 times 1 minus 3 cosine square of 3s plus 3 cosine to the 4 of 3s, right? Minus cosine to the 6 of 3s. Now, if I want to take the derivative of cosine of 3s, so what happens? It's going to be negative 3 sine of 3s ds, right? So I look at this one right here, I have sine of 3s ds, right? So I need to divide both sides by negative 3, right? So it could be negative 1/3 right here. So then this guy gone, right? So I just replace sine of 3s ds right here with negative 1/3 d of cosine 3s, right? And I write negative 1/3 in the front, right? Now I just distribute this one. Alright, so it turns out to be negative 1/3 cosine of 3s altogether raised to the negative 4/5, right? Minus 3 cosine of negative 4/5 plus 2. It's going to be 6/5, right? 3s. Now, plus 3, negative 4/5 plus 4. It's going to be cosine to the 16 over 5. 3s, right? And the last one, minus cosine of negative 4/5 plus 6, right? It's going to be 26 over 5. 3s, right? Altogether, d of cosine 3s, right? Alright, so I just will write negative 1/3 right here, right? Now I need to take antiderivative of this one. Now the new variable in this situation is going to be cosine 3s, right? Because this is d cosine 3s, right? So I have cosine 3s to the negative 4/5 plus 1 over negative 4/5 plus 1, right? So it turns out to be 5 cosine 3s all together right to the 1/5, right? This one, if I add 1, it's going to be 11 over 5. So when you divide by 11 over 5, it's going to be 5 over 11, right? So 5 times 3 is going to be 15, right? So minus 15 over 11 cosine of 3s raised to the 11 over 5, right? Next one, 16 over 5 plus 1 is going to be 21 over 5. And then you multiply by 5 over 21, right? So it could be 15 over 21 cosine of 3s all together raised to the 21 over 5 and minus cosine of 3s raised to the 26 over 5 plus 1 is going to be 31 over 5. And you divide by 31 over 5 is the same thing as multiply by 5 over 31, right? Plus c. And it's good time to solve. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.